Hi everybody, Chuck Mellon here. This is a continuation of our market research information for your educational purposes only, of course. Now, I've been looking at the market, as I do every day, and there's some things that I found that are very, very interesting. One of which, for income-oriented investors, is a company called Linn Energy. The symbol is L-I-N-E, traded on NASDAQ, Linn Energy. What makes Linn interesting is that it trades in the form of a stock, but the stock is actually units in a master limited partnership. Now, they are in the oil and gas business. With natural gas prices being so low recently, the stock has dropped from the mid-30s down to $11.40, where it is right now. However, this company, Linn Energy, pays a 10 cents per share or per unit dividend every single month. That means that the yield right now is roughly 11%. Additionally, this company is optionable as well. Income-oriented investors could buy the units just like a stock, and they could also write options on it to create additional income. I think that's really what makes this a unique play. So I'm looking for special situations in the market and situations that we can exploit for a profit, and naturally this is one of the most important items that I've come across in the last few days. So let me tell you a little bit about Linn Energy. Now, I haven't researched it big time, but I've done just a modicum of research. Linn Energy is in the oil and gas business, as I said before. And you know what's happened to natural gas prices. Well, what makes this interesting is they pay such a high dividend because as a master limited partnership type of structure, 95% of their earnings, their revenue from operations, go right to the shareholders, the unit holders, people like you and I. So we're responsible for the taxes on our earnings, of course. The company itself pays no taxes. Now, with oil and gas prices low, we think, my own personal feeling is, and the people I talk to, that natural gas prices are not going to stay down forever. They've been hit very, very hard. Now, I think over the next year or two, natural gas prices are going to come back. Right now, natural gas prices are around $2.50. But they used to be $4.50, which means that this company is going to earn even more money than they are right now. Sales have gone up about nearly 50% over the last 12 months. This particular company has a $13 billion capital structure with about $3 billion in cash and marketable short-term assets. They also have a credit facility for an additional $2.2 billion. So there's plenty of money to keep that dividend going for the next couple of years in anticipation of the natural gas prices rebounding. So if gas prices do rebound, not only would shareholders or unit holders get a capital gain, but in the meantime, while you're waiting for natural gas prices to move back up again, you're going to get about an 11% annual yield on your money, cash on cash, while you're waiting. And that, of course, doesn't include any income that you get from writing the covered calls as well, writing options on it. So, as I continue to look for special situations in today's market, I will keep you updated. I'm going to try and give you at least one actionable idea every day. And when I do my research, sometimes I find more than one, in which case I'll give you more than one idea on a daily basis. So, for income-oriented investors, this might be something you want to take a look at. This is not a recommendation. Naturally, this is only for your own edification and educational purposes. But I wanted to give you an idea of what's happening in the market. We've seen nothing but The S&P 500 and the Dow 30 stocks go sky high. But there's some stocks, especially those that are commodity related, like this one, that have been hit very, very hard. So if we use the old adage, buy low, sell high, it's impossible to sell high if you don't buy low. So this stock is down, been beaten down from the mid-30s. It's about $11.40 right now. If you're an income-oriented investor, do your research and take a look at it. See if it's something that meets your investment criteria and your risk tolerance. But do some research on your own and see if you like it. Okay, well, thanks very much for watching, and good luck investing.